AP Gov students, welcome back. In today's video, we're going beyond the definitions to compare how parliamentary, presidential, and semi-presidential systems differ in practice. Today, we're going to look at who holds power and how they're selected, the efficiency and accountability of each system, and some real-world examples and implications. So let's get started. First, let's compare how executives are selected and how power is separated in each system. In the parliamentary system, the prime minister is chosen by the legislature, whose powers are then fused. In the presidential system, the president is elected by the people, and there is strong separation of powers. And in a semi-presidential system, the president is elected by the people, but the prime minister is selected with legislative input. So the powers are shared or mixed. Parliamentary systems fuse those executive and legislative powers, while the presidential system keeps them entirely separate. And of course, the semi-presidential systems are a hybrid of both. How are leaders held accountable in each system? Well, in the parliamentary system, the prime minister can be quickly removed by a vote of no confidence. This makes them highly accountable, but can lead to instability. In the presidential system, the president serves a fixed term, making them less accountable in the short term, but more stable. In the presidential, semi-presidential system, accountability depends on how powers are divided between the president and the prime minister, which can be complex, especially during cohabitation or when they're from opposing parties. Conclusion to this: parliamentary equals more flexible, presidential equals more stable, semi-presidential can be either, depending on the current structure. So let's compare how efficient these systems are in making and implementing laws. Parliamentary, very high efficient, since the executive is part of the legislature. Passing laws is much smoother. Presidential systems can face gridlock. If different parties control the presidency and the legislature, things might not get passed into law. And of course, semi-presidential varies. If the president and the prime minister cooperate, it's efficient. If not, cohabitation can cause delay and conflict. Real-world examples: the UK, parliamentary, quick policy changes, but also frequent elections. Presidential system, well, we're talking the US, but we're also talking Mexico. Gridlock is common with that divided government. In the semi-presidential system, we show France, but remember, Russia is also semi-presidential. It's efficient under the same party leadership, tense during cohabitation. The pros, well, parliamentary is very responsive and efficient. Presidential is stable with checks and balances, and semi-presidential is a flexible balance. While cons, parliamentary, much less stable and power can be concentrated. In presidential, you can get to gridlock, and it's hard to remove the leader until their term is up. And of course, in semi-presidential, that risk of cohabitation can occur and cause conflicts. To sum up, all three systems handle executive power differently. Each has strengths and weaknesses in terms of accountability, efficiency, and stability. Understanding these systems help explain the political dynamics of countries like the UK and Russia and Nigeria and Iran. Coming up next, topic 3, executive systems. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please stay curious, review your stuff often, and stay informed. Good luck studying.